Let's go! Capilano Regional Park. At the park, we're going to look at some of the common forest plants that grow here. But first, we're going to go over and take a look at Cleveland Dam. Cleveland Dam and the Capilano River Water Reservoir. Cleveland Dam was built on the Capilano River. A dam holds back the river's water to create a water reservoir or lake. This man-made lake reservoir stores 1/3 of the drinking water supply for Metro Vancouver. We get our drinking water from there. Back in the forest, we can find salmonberry. As you can see, the leaves are now coming out on the salmonberry bushes. And this pretty little flower is salmonberry flower. And after a while, a little berry is going to start growing out of here. And then you'll get to eat it. Sword fern. I'm standing on a hillside here, and behind me is a type of fern. It's called the sword fern. And it's a very special kind of fern, very beautiful. And underneath, it looks like this. And sword ferns grow a lot. Mahonia. And this plant here is called Mahonia, and you'll find it growing close to Douglas fir. And it's got these sharp, pointy kind of things. They're a little bit sharp, that have little needles on the end. Underneath, it looks like this. Deer fern. This kind of fern is a little different. It's sort of like, very similar to the sword fern, but it's smaller, and it's called deer fern. And underneath, it looks like this. Skunk cabbage. Here I am sitting in a kind of a wet area, and this plant here is called skunk cabbage, and it likes these kind of wet areas, so you'll always see it kind of growing in swampy, wet areas. And it's very pretty, and every spring it gets a beautiful flower like this. It comes up, and the bears like to eat the roots. Some more examples of skunk cabbage growing in a swampy, wet area.
huckleberry.
And this here is a plant, a bush called the huckleberry bush. And the leaves are just starting to come out now. And they look like this. And when they're more fully out, they look kind of more like that. And you might have seen them before, and you might have tried to eat huckleberries, but the berries are not there yet.
Salal.
Plant here kind of grows a lot on the west coast of British Columbia. And it's called salal, and it looks like this. And underneath, it looks like this. Later on, when the summer comes, it starts to grow a dark purple berry that people can eat if they want.
This ends part 2 of a forest walk in Capilano Regional Park. I hope you've enjoyed seeing Cleveland Dam and some of the common plants that grow here. Goodbye.